Hello guys, today we are going to talk about color correction. So let's start the video. In video editing, color correction is always needed. We can easily fix the colors if we shoot the video in different lighting conditions. If you did not get the right colors because of lighting, we can easily correct them. For color correction, go to Windows, select Lumetri Colors, and the panel will appear on the right side. You will see many different colors like basic correction, creative, curves, and others. Go to basic correction, we have input alerts. You can apply alerts directly which are given by default, just like that. You will see different parameters you can simply slide to increase or decrease the value. It's up to you. You can increase and decrease the value of temperature just like that, or you put it directly. We also have other option. You can easily adjust the exposure by sliding. You can adjust contrast as well. Same goes for highlights. You can easily adjust highlights as well. In curves, you can work on RGB curves. You can simply slide to increase or decrease the brightness. If you want to work on curves color, just select the color and just slide. Whenever you get perfect results, keep it like that. Now you can see the results after editing. Here is the sequence and the final result. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.